unexplainable in our head. Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Meech. I'm back with another video. And y'all, this is one of my most exciting, one of my most, what's the word I'm looking for? Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Meech. I'm back with another video. And y'all, this video right here is my favorite video of all time I have ever made. Wanna know why? I think I found a dupe for Chanel's Giggle. Okay, y'all. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know your girl loves the Chanel gloss in the color Giggle. It's like a purpley, mauvey, gray, brown. I mean, it's all those colors mixed in one, and I love it. This is when they were doing their Glossimer. If you can see that, their Glossimer gloss, but they discontinued all of that. They discontinued Giggle. And I was just turned on to Giggle. So all I had was one. So all this time, I have been looking and searching and hunting for a dupe. And when I say searching and hunting, I don't know how much money I spent looking for this gloss. I've tried another Chanel gloss, which is good, by the way. It's just not the color. I've tried Bobbi Brown. I've tried, you name it. I have tried it, but I have not gotten close until today. Today was the day. Okay, so I shop at Ulta. I like shopping at Ulta. Ulta gives good perks, and gives money. Well, they have Morphe there. And y'all, I was like, let me just try Morphe. I have like some of their palettes, but I don't have any like lip products or anything. Maybe one or two. Let me just try and see what they got in gloss goes. And lo and behold, I come across Pixie. Y'all, this is Pixie. That's Pixie. And this is Chanel's Giggle. This is the closest I have ever come. Let me swatch it for you. Okay, I'm going to swatch Pixie. That is Pixie. Now I'm going to swatch Giggle right below it. That's Giggle. So you can tell Giggle's still a little brighter, but they're definitely in the same family. And you might not be able to even tell once they're on my lips. Here's Pixie on my lips. And here's Giggle on my lips. So yes, I am pretty stoked about that, and I just figured I'd bring that to you. And once again, that is Morphe's Pixie. That is as close as I've come to a dupe for Chanel's Giggle. Now, Chanel still makes lip gloss at $30, and the closest I've come is caramel in that, but that is still not matching at all. I'll put a swatch in there of that. For $30, this is Morphe Pixie, Chanel's Giggle, Chanel's Caramel, and Bobbi Brown's Nude. And then here is Morphe's lip gloss in Pixie, and I believe this was $9. If not, I'll put it in here. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Well, if you are a Giggle fan, I hope that this helped you. And if you want to try Giggle out, you've heard about it, I hope that this helped you. Go on to Ulta and get you Pixie. You won't be disappointed. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another one.